Alam mo, let's be honest and let me tell you the freaking truth about your haters. Kung wala pang nagagalit sa'yo, kung wala pang naiinggit, kung wala pang naninira sa'yo behind your back, isa lang ang ibig sabihin niyan, you're not doing enough. Baka hindi ka nag-i-evolve, baka hindi ka nag-go-grow. Kasi kung wala kang kaaway, walang nai-istorbo, walang nag-i-spread ng pangalan mo, marahil dahil hindi ka relevant, you're not important. And if may taong naiinggit sa'yo, ibig sabihin may halaga ka. Meron kang bagay na gusto nila, kung nire-replicate ka nila, that is not disrespect, that's flattering. Ibig sabihin ina-idolize ka nila, may value ka, may influence ka. At kung sinisiraan ka, it's because you're doing better than them. Let's be honest, people don't punch down. They only try to pull you down kasi nasa taas ka na. Criticism is low-key admiration. Tahimik lang yung iba, pero pag sinilip mo, sila pa yung nakaabang sa next move mo. Di nila kayang aminin, pero gusto nilang malaman kung ano ang susunod mong gagawin. Kasi deep down, they care. Hindi dahil gusto ka nila. Don't get me wrong, they don't like you, but because they cannot stop watching you. So, if may humihila sa'yo pababa, if people are talking about you, huwag kang mag-stress. Because guess what? You're living in their head for free. And the truth is, your haters might just be ang pinaka-loyal mong audience. They will never clap for you, pero bawat galaw mo, hindi nila palalampasin. So keep showing up, keep winning, hayaan mo lang silang panoorin ka, hayaan mo silang magsalita. Kasi kung may haters ka, iisa lang ang ibig sabihin niyan, maybe you're doing something right.